To open the book of Acts chapter 4 verse 16. Acts chapter 4 verse 16.
To this man, for that indeed a notable miracle has been done by them. It manifests to all them that dwell in Jerusalem, and we cannot deny it.
Please come here, come and read
this. Saying, what shall we do to this man?
What shall we do to this man?
For that indeed a notable miracle has been done
For
by
indeed
them.
a notable miracle has been done by this man.
Is manifest to all them that dwell in Jerusalem.
Is manifested to them
in all Jerusalem.
In all Jerusalem.
And we cannot deny it.
And we cannot deny it. Who made this statement? You know what happened there? In that Acts chapter 4 verse 16. From verse 1. The priests gathered themselves together with the captain of the temple and the Sadducees. They gathered themselves together. They conspired against Peter and John. Because all this mess, because they saw the boldness of Peter and John, and they knew that Peter and John, they were an ignorant men, and they were men that were unlearned. But through the power of the Holy Spirit, they can be able to stand boldness in front of the people and to heal people with their power. The power of the Holy Spirit influence them to the point that they can be able to touch the lame, and the lame begin to walk. Hey. So these three people, as they gathered themselves together, they said, there is a miracle that these two people have performed, which is Peter and John. They said this miracle, they can be able to see it, but they cannot deny it. I want us to rise on our feet. I want us to rise on our feet. Say, Father! Hey, please, don't bring this spirit down. Say, Father! My Father, my Father! Tonight, visit me with a notable miracle that cannot be denied. I don't know whether we get it. The theme of our program is divine visitation. It's divine visitation. Say, my Father, my Father.
My Father, my Father.
Visit me tonight with a notable miracle that cannot be denied. Shall we go ahead and begin to pray? Jesus. In 1 Samuel chapter 1, when we begin the reading from verse 5 or 18 or from verse 1, 1 Samuel chapter 1, when we begin to read, we will discover that this was Samuel, Anna giving birth to Samuel. And we discover that in the process that Anna gave birth to Samuel, way down. But she didn't way down. Anna didn't way down. I could have said that we should read that verse. our time is fast spent. I want us to pray. I want us to show us 7 things, but because of our time, we can pray like 3 out of it or 4 out of it because of our time. But I want to show us something, 7 things that Samuel represented in the life of Anna. And that 7 things we are going to use it to pray. But we can pray like 3 or 4 out of it. Say, Father. Samuel represented answered to prayer to Anna. Yes, we all know that. The arrival of Samuel shows that